Boom, shakalaka. Welcome back to the Austnautomates YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you while cold calling how to use the gatekeeper to get your message past them to their boss. Remember, the gatekeeper's job is to keep his boss from being on the phone with people like you. So I need to show him that this tool is not just for his boss, that this tool is for them. It will help them. I need to involve them, make them feel included. And then instead of the whole, hey, I'll collect your information and I'll pass it along. No, I need to get the gatekeeper to commit to actually looking at what I'm going to send and make it feel like we have this love triangle going on between me, the gatekeeper, and the decision maker. Always set the appointment. Make sure you do that. Let's dive right in. Hi, my name is Austin. I'm actually calling because I saw that you are running ads, and I was curious if you are still currently taking on new patients.
Yeah, we are.
Okay, are you the one that actually does the adjustments? Or do you, oh, go ahead.
No, that's not me. I'm just here at the front desk.
Okay, the one what was your name? Owen, are you the one that does the phone calls from people that come in from the ads?
It depends on when I'm here, not
Oh, okay. Owen, I'm going to be straight up with you. This is a cold call and pure transparency. I don't want to run your ads, okay? I have an AI tool that it actually helps someone like in your position that makes the phone calls to the people that opt in from the ads. An AI tool that helps convert those leads into actual paying customers. It gets rid of the tire kickers and it finds the people that put in wrong phone numbers and stuff so you don't have to call people over and over and over again. If I was able to show you and the doctor within 5, 10 minutes exactly how it worked and how I could help actually convert those leads into paying customers without increasing your ad spend, do you think you two would be open to taking a look at it? And what is the doctor's name? Scott. How do you spell his last name? So at the end of the day, because if it depends on if you're taking the calls or he's taking the calls, whoever's taking the calls, it really does help weed out, save a lot of time. What would be the best way to send him some information and show him how it works?
you could send him an email. That'd probably be the most efficient way.
Okay, what would be the best email address for him?
You can use info at
info@.com. Now, this is something that would be helping you very specifically too. If I send it to, is it something that you would be able to take a look at yourself?
you could look at that directly.
Okay, because obviously your boss, Scott, he's probably pretty busy, and this would be something that would be helping you out as someone that works the front desk. And I would obviously want to make sure that it made sense for you before wasting his time. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
All right, Owen, are you guys going to be closed tomorrow and for Christmas, obviously?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, if I send over a demo of how it works, and are you guys going to be open the day after Christmas or Friday?
But not until Monday, after
Oh,
the
okay.
next week.
If I send over a demo and everything and then give you a call back on Monday, would it be possible to talk to you personally on Monday?
Yeah, I believe that would work.
Awesome. What I'll do is I'll send over the demo and then give you, at the end of the day, Owen, if it doesn't make sense for you guys, I wouldn't expect you to use the tool, but I'll give you a chance to take a look at it. You can see whether or not it's something that Scott would even be interested in. And then what I'll do is I'll follow up Monday and see if it's something you guys are even open to using.
Okay, sounds good.
Awesome, Owen. Well, I really appreciate your time. You have a happy holidays, and I look forward to talking to you Monday. All right. And that is step by step how I make friends with the gatekeeper. I make them feel involved in what's going on. Again, got a little love triangle going on. Me, gatekeeper, and the decision maker. Now he has committed to watching what I'm going to send over and then has committed to a time when I'm going to call and I'm going to be like, hey, Owen, you said you'd take a look at it. Did you take a look at it? Were you able to show your boss? And then he is going to feel on the hook to make sure that information gets passed over. Now, the demo I'm going to send, I'm not going to send a full-blown demo of, hey, this is how it works and this is how it is. I want to stimulate enough curiosity to where the boss is going to be, the decision maker is going to be like, hey, let's get on the phone with this guy and let's just see what it is. I'm going to send him some facts on speed to lead, that businesses that are able to connect with leads within 60 seconds, their conversion rate goes up by 400%. I might show them a cool little quick short demo of the bot doing pre-qualifying questions, but I'm not going to demo the entire thing. The video I'm going to send over is over Loom and it's going to be 60 to 90 seconds long so that when Owen watches it, I'll actually know that he actually watched it. And here's the cool thing. I have a commitment out of him. So he is going to watch that, or I'm going to keep calling. And then I'm going to make sure that little 60 to 90-second thing gets in front of his boss, and it stimulates enough curiosity to where his boss is going to be like, okay, hey, let's just get on the call with this guy and let's see what he wants to do. Never send someone enough information to make a decision off that alone. If you are doing cold outreaches and little demos, never give someone enough information to where they can send a decision back and say, hey, that was cool. No, thank you. So, you guys, I hope that provided a little bit of value for you. I do have quite a few cold calls set up. I wanted to show you one tactic on how to actually use the gatekeeper to make sure your message gets to the decision maker. If you guys have any questions, please type them in the comments below. I have a lot of live cold calls being released doing there's different tactics and there's different techniques because not every conversation is going to happen the same. The next one, I'm actually talking to the decision maker and he wants to refer me and redirect me to his internal marketing team, to his gatekeeper. I'm on the phone with the decision maker and then he wants to send me to the gatekeeping team. But I piqued his curiosity enough to where instead of just collecting my information like he said and then just sending it over to his marketing team, he was like, you know what? Actually, just send it over to me. And I'm going to show you in the next release of the cold calls that I do on how I did that. And you have a great rest of your day. If you get any value out of this, please hit that subscribe button. Please leave me some love in the comments. All of you have a happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, whatever you're celebrating today. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I look forward to seeing you in future trainings. Woo!